Hi everyone, my name is Alp Eren Ozba. I'm a 3D artist and I solved this contest, yMegekko Warp contest, and I was really hyped about it. And now in this video, I'm gonna share you my project, my final render, and also my steps of how did I manage to do it, and what softwares did I use, and what were my steps. So yeah, let's go. First, I checked the website and I checked it detailedly. I really liked the price and I was so hyped about it. So, other than that, I checked the other details, like when is the deadline, what are the deliverables, what is the concept, and what are the approved tools and softwares. For example, these. So I also checked other people's stuff a bit. Then I started brainstorming about the content. What can I make? Will it be like a still image, or will it be like a render? Will it be like a full CG? Will it be mix of CG and real life? So I brainstormed it. Then after the content part, I also thought about the pipeline and the workflow, like what softwares can I use, what could be the best way to make this project, what's the best approach for this project. And then I set a pipeline and workflow for me, I write it down and I said that yes, I'll first do that, then this, then it will go like that. So after all of that, I visited yMegekko pop-up store in Breda. So I took pics, videos, HDRIs, even LiDAR scans there. I hope I didn't bother anyone in the store. I mean the staff. So I took pics and from the outside in front of the store. I also checked new arrival stuff and this razor setup, and I took some videos. This one was a bit weird actually. Wait. Oh, uh, this one was a bit weird because um I got this bottle and acted like I'm using it, and someone saw me, and I don't know. I just wanted to make like a footage, and then maybe I can use it later for another project. And yeah. Um, Also, I took a good bicycle ride and filmed this. Thanks to the skater. I don't know. This is a bit off the topic, so I'll go back. But I really like that we have a lot of cool graffiti and art all over the Breda. So I also saw this piece, and I thought what kind of VFX I can make for this piece later. And for the artist, I would like to also give it a credit. Here you can see. So yeah, this one also was a bit funny. Um, yeah, I took lots of pictures and videos in the yMegekko store. After that, I took a 360-degree photo, HDRI, I will say, for the lightning to use it later. I also took some LiDAR 3D scans, but it didn't quite work for me, so I, I mainly used a photo that I took and the HDRI for the lightning. And and the next step was preparing the scene and the virtual camera in Blender. Oh, by the way, oh, I forgot. I also wanted to show one more time. If I showed already. the video
See a store. I see a
to
portal. A
reflect on it.
laptop with a jet engine. A roof, obviously. Minecraft DLC. Thanks to NVIDIA Studio, reality is whatever I render it to be. Built for creators. Designed to inspire.
So this is our video, and let's pause somewhere like that, so I can reflect on it. Yeah, I prepared my camera, uh, and also the perspective, the camera POV, the angles and technical details. So let me show you the wireframe look. So basically, I use this image to project on my camera, and then also calculated the values with perspective by guiding the coordinate lines, like axis lines, like this is x, this is y, and this is total straight. So then this way I managed to calculate the perspective and other technical details. Then basically I modeled the sidewalk and also ground with the help of this tool. Then I started moving to other tasks. Let me check my notes. Yeah. So first I changed the car's plate number due to the privacy reasons. So for that I use Photoshop, generative AI, generative fill in Photoshop. So I basically like selected the plate, as you can see, and then just wrote random numbers. Now this way it looks like a normal plate if you don't look at so carefully or zoom it. But also it's not the original plate, so it's fixed. And what else? Oh, then I made the portal in Blender, the main portal. So this is the portal itself. Um, Not the best portal in the world, but it works for me, and I just wanted to go with a basic design and keep it light. I don't have the laptop yet, so I should have to keep it light to render it without problems. Yeah, let me show you the shader. So this is the shader. There are some animation with noise and some matte functions, and then color ramp to add these touches, and then we have we get this visual. After that, I wanted to add some 3D particles, so I modeled this thing. It's basically like a circular shape, but I also modeled a bit uh, different in some of the angles to have like a uh, to have the movement of these particles to go to the sides, not just directly to the front. Then I emitted particles. Let me show you. Like I emitted those particles and set the settings, and I also made another shader for that, which is like have some colorful shading, but also emissive shading, not just the normal color. It's also emissive. So yeah, portal thing was like that. Then I tweaked it a bit, like the velocity of the particles and the lifetime and such, to have a good visual look in the scene. After that, I added bunch of shadow catchers, light catchers, and holdout 3D planes like this one, because when we are seeing from this angle, for example, we don't want to see the models, this model's hand or like let me show you like this. From this perspective, we don't want to see the hand or the arm. We want to see it like how it is in real world. So this is like a holdout to mask that area. It's also for the blocks as well. There are blocks behind the wall, but we don't see it. And also, since we need like a shadow in the bottom of the connection part of the model with the ground, um, I added this shadow catcher, but it's also light catcher, so it looks weird without rendering it. It looks like the image itself that projects it. But it's something technical. Um, yeah, so holdouts and shadow catchers are really important, especially for this scene. Then um, I made various Minecraft blocks. Made them. Then by combining those. Oops. One sec. Let's go like this. Yeah, I mo I will not say I model it, but basically I made a cube, then find some textures and just UV unwrapped it, and then also I added some other variations like the the diamond one or the emerald one, so not just the regular one. Then I animated those, like I batch animated those, like not one by one, but then I offsetted their animations so they can have like they can, so this
Obviously,
way they come like
Minecraft
in a good
DLC.
way.
Thanks to NVIDIA Studio.
So this way they come one by one and it's offsetted. So that was the animation part for the blocks, and then I used a character and animation from Adobe's good old Mixamo.com. So this character, this lady is from the Mixamo, basically. Then I wanted to add this Steve from Minecraft to scene, and then I also animated it, so it adds more visual rather than just blocks. Um, After that, I really love the impact of Minecraft blocks and Steve, and I just wanted to add more references from games since they are also huge inspirations for creators, artists, and it's a big part of our imagined worlds. So for many people, for many artists, they are the reasons why they are becoming a 3D artist or VFX artist or you got the idea. So I just wanted to add more game references. I added the G-Man from Half-Life, and then also the cube from the Portal game. After that, I downloaded a laptop model. Let me show you in Blender. Um, then I modified this laptop model, changed the texture for the screen, added some details. Don't look it from here. Yeah, and then I added those jet engine trails that you can see in the render mode. Those those are basically just like a cylinder with without the caps, and also it's just scaled down on the end, and the main thing is the most important thing about that is most of the shader itself. So I used a video like a engine thruster video, then unwrapped on that model, and it looks like a jet trail, even though it's not an actual volume. It looks like it. So after that, I just parented the laptop and the jet trails to this empty object to animate it better and see it better in the scene. After that, I wanted to have a 3D Megekko logo and also text on the let me see, on the surface. Uh, since we are adding 3D stuff, bunch of 3D stuff, why not have a 3D logo and that looks like a holographic, you know. Also green is Megekko's color, so yeah, I modeled this, then used a shader that basically gets the geometry data and use the wireframe to highlight it, and I highlight it with green. Um, oh, also I forgot to say it. Before all moving to Blender, I used Photoshop to visualize stuff. Not just blur it to change it to plate, but I also added some concepts before starting. For example, I tried like a drone, and there's someone in the roof and playing with the drone. I tried bunch of ideas. I like some of them. I didn't like some of them. So as an artist, I think AI and this type of tools not should be the main thing, but it can really be like a really good assistant or a good side tool. So you always have to check it and see if it works or if not, and the control, having a control on the scene and the composition is always important. Um, of course, I'm not doing some like art house high budget movie here, but I like still having control and having the artistic visual look and using those tools without losing my control. So, for example, I tried this and then I thought it's not related, and I wanted to Minecraft blocks here, so I just hide it back. But then I added this Megakko logo, not logo, the gecko itself to here, and I really like it because we have like a huge negative area in here, and now I can fill it with some good positive area, some good value, and it's super related, so why not? Then I wanted to. Oh, first, by the way, I tried gecko. Yeah, I mean, I tried green gecko, but AI gave me like different results. But then I tried again, and this worked eventually. So after that, I tried another prompt, but it wasn't like the what I felt like. But still, I really like it. And then I had the idea to to use the Mixamo model and animation here after this visualization. Without that, I wouldn't probably imagine that. So it helped me, even though I didn't use it. Then, what else? Oh, this is for the to make having like a clean plate, having a clean background. Basically removing the logo. Then I also wanted to visualize the portal itself, even though it's not similar to what I did at the end. Visualizing the portal, the color, and how it would look, to see how it would look, was pretty good to do it. So yeah, and what else? I also tried another idea with some Tetris. Some blocks are like before the Minecraft blocks. I was thinking like maybe Tetris blocks are coming, and after they match, they disappear, or I don't know. Like I was just trying ideas. So then I didn't use this one, but I used the Minecraft blocks idea. Then I was thinking like, yeah, maybe we can have the laptop that we see in the contest. This one, MSI Creator laptop. So I thought maybe I can model something similar or find something similar, and I was concepting with that, and maybe it can have like a jet engine and then jet trails. So that was the first concept, but then changed it to one in the Blender. Yeah, that was the Photoshop part. I forgot to mention it before, but it's good that now we talked about it. Now, after that, I rendered everything and brought it together. So basically, I rendered in Blender everything, but then also I comped it in After Effects. I also fixed one single thing in After Effects, nothing big. Then I for the final with the final video, final render, I moved to Premiere Pro. I just left it here. Then I used ChatGPT to brainstorm about the voiceover that I can add on top of a video, because the video was a bit chaotic and it needs some bit narrative, for a better storytelling. So why not? So I talked to ChatGPT and also, oops, yeah, I talked to ChatGPT and mentioned that, yeah, this is the scene. I made this and I animated that, blah blah. And can you give me like a voiceover script and what do you think about it? So then it gave me something, but it was a bit long, and then I wanted to shorten it, and I want to use some parts. I didn't want to use some parts, but eventually I had like a pretty simple, efficient, and working script for the 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is the AI text to speech. They also have some other features. Yeah, AI voiceover software. So I added the text, pretty simple. Uh, then I checked some of the voices, but there are like definitely like different options for the voice. For example, I use first this one, dummy.
Most people see a store. I see a portal, a laptop, nah, a jet engine.
Built for
Then I tried and switched to Serena.
built for creators, designed to inspire.
Yeah. I downloaded the MP3, the audio from here, and then after adding the voiceover to the edit, I also added a bunch of sound effects.
A laptop.
Like this is the portal exit or portal entrance sound effect,
A laptop with a jet engine. A roof.
like a whoosh sound, and these are for the Minecraft blocks.
Obviously, Minecraft DLC.
But.
Thanks to NVIDIA Studio, reality is whatever I read
Then I have some other sound effects here as well.
to be. Built for creators, designed to inspire.
Yeah, I did some editing here
For creators.
for the text, and also having a pop-up animation of this image.
Built for creators, designed to inspire.
Then I wanted to give a credit to myself here at the end, and also show that it's for the contest. Basically that was it. So list of used softwares: Blender, Polycam for the HDRI. I can show it here. This is my HDR. It doesn't work. The online look through, unfortunately now it doesn't work, but it works in Blender. So I use After Effects and Premiere Pro, of course, to bring everything here. Then also I use Photoshop for the visualization, and also having the background image with the fake plate number, and also clean back plate, and also the gecko. Um, I use ChatGPT. I use the 11 Labs. So I think that's it. I hope it was an informative or a fun video for you. Yeah, have a great day.